For Santa Cruz, California 95060 residents experiencing a water heater breakdown, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a great option. The business is well known for offering excellent water heater replacement and repair services. Are you looking for water heater near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. How do you prevent water heater damage? Regular maintenance is essential to preventing damage to water heaters. Every year, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment in Santa Cruz, California advises cleaning the heat exchanger, monitoring the pressure relief valve, and flushing the tank to eliminate sediment. Keeping an eye out for odd noises, leaks, or temperature variations can aid in the early detection of problems. How do I maintain my water heater? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment advises Santa Cruz, California 95060 households to follow a few important actions in order to maintain your water heater and avoid failure. Frequent tank flushing aids in removing silt accumulation, which can reduce longevity and performance. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/